Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's learn the chapter Area and Perimeter for Class 5. Okay, firstly, what is the area and perimeter? Let's see the definition of this. Okay, what is the perimeter of definition? Can you tell? Yes, in geometry, the perimeter of a shape is defined as the total length of its boundary. You can see the picture here. The total length of the boundary. You can see the rectangle, and the total length of the rectangle is nothing but the perimeter. The perimeter of a shape is determined by adding the length of all the sides and edges enclosing the shape. Okay, this is the perimeter of a rectangle. It is nothing but the total length of its boundary. Okay, next we will see the definition of area. What is area? Area is nothing but the total space taken up by a flat surface, okay, or a shape. This is a shape of an object. See in the picture, this is the shape of a rectangle. Okay, the total space, can you see the small rectangles here? The total space taken up by a flat surface or a shape of an object is nothing but the definition of a area. Okay, and area is measured in square units like centimeter square, meter square. Okay, the space enclosed by the boundary of a plane figure is its area. I hope you have understood the definition of area and the perimeter. Okay, now let's see the perimeter and area of a rectangle. Can you see the rectangle here? This is the rectangle is having four sides. Okay, the sum of these four sides is nothing but the perimeter. Okay, this is the two sides, length, and this is length, breadth, and breadth. A rectangle is having two lengths and two breadths. Okay, which are opposite to each other. See, length and length are opposite to each other, and breadth are opposite to each other, and they are equal in measurement. Okay, so now let's say what is the perimeter of rectangle? It is nothing but 2 length plus 2 breadth, that is equals to 2L plus 2B units. Okay, this is the formula of a perimeter. I repeat, perimeter of a rectangle is nothing but 2 length plus 2 breadth units. Okay, and it is always expressed in the units of length. Remember this. Okay, now let's see the area of a rectangle. What is the area of rectangle? The space occupied by a plane figure is its area. Okay, then we can tell the area of rectangle is what? The length into breadth square units. Okay, and it is expressed in square unit. Okay, what is a square unit? It is nothing but the product of two equal dimensions of the same unit is called a square unit. I hope you have understood the perimeter of a rectangle, that is 2L plus 2B units, and the area of a rectangle, that is length into breadth square units. Now let's solve some simple problems on this. So the question is, the length and breadth of a rectangular room are 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the perimeter of the room. See, this is the rectangular room given. The length given is 4 meter and the breadth given is 3 meters. Okay, first let's write the given data. First, this is the step number 1. That is, we have to write down the given data. Length is 4 meter and the breadth is 3 meters. Okay, now write the formula. Perimeter of a rectangular room is nothing but 2L plus 2B units. In the place of L, we have to substitute the length, that is 4. And in the place of breadth, substitute the value of breadth, that is 3. Okay, then multiply. 2 4s are 8 plus 2 3s are is 6. 8 plus 6 is nothing but 14 meters. Okay, this is the perimeter of a rectangular room. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. The rectangle given below are divided into squares of unit length. find their areas. Okay, first we have to find out the area of this rectangle given. Okay, what is the formula of area? Area of a rectangle is nothing but length into breadth square units. Okay, as this is a rectangle, it is having equal squares, so we have to count the squares: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are having 5. The length is 5 and the breadth 1, 2 and 3. So the breadth is 3. 5 into 3 is 15 square units. Okay, now let's see the perimeter and area of a square. The perimeter of a square is nothing but the total length of the boundary of a square. See, this is the total length of the boundary of a square. It is having four sides: 1, 2, 3, and 4. The total length of a boundary of a square is nothing but the perimeter of a square. We need to add all the sides of a square. Okay, and the perimeter of a square is nothing but sum of the length of four sides, that is 4 into length, that is equals to 4L. Okay, this is the perimeter of a square. Then let's see the area of a square. It is nothing but it is having two dimensions of equal length. Okay, see, two dimensions of equal length, and when the two equal lengths are multiplied, we get the area. Okay, what is the area of a square now? It is nothing but length into length square units. Okay, now let's see solve some problems. Calculate the area of a shaded portion. Okay, see, this is the full figure, and in this only this portion is been shaded, and here it is written as 2 meters and here 4. We divide 2 here and 2 here. So what is the area of a square? Length into length square units. So here length is 2 and this side we also take 2. 2 twos are 4 square units. Okay, now let's find the next one. Find the perimeter of the given figure. Okay, this is the figure here. Okay, and the length of the square is nothing but 32 centimeter. What is the perimeter of a square? It's nothing but 4 into L units. 4 into, what is the value of L? 32 centimeter. 4 into 32 is nothing but 128 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the square. I hope you have understood this. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and like and share my videos. Thank you.